Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Xbox Ally X and the original ROG Ally X. The Xbox Ally X is set to feature the powerful new AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme processor and a redesigned casing with beefier grips. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X, already a fan favorite, offering a solid Z1 Extreme chip, up to 2 terabytes of storage, and a sleek, proven design. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two handheld gaming PCs and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and controls, where the Xbox Ally X immediately stands out. While both devices sport similar button layouts with large A, B, X, Y buttons, responsive joysticks, and familiar triggers. On the other hand, the Xbox Ally X steps things up with a dedicated Xbox button replacing the Armory Crate button. Also, it features a significantly improved contoured grips that make the handheld more ergonomic and likely more comfortable during long gaming sessions. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X retains its slimmer grip design, which some might find easier to pack or hold for shorter play periods. While the ROG Ally X has already proven itself comfortable for extended use, those seeking a more console-like feel will probably appreciate the chunkier build of the Xbox Ally X. Both support similar control schemes, but thanks to the enhanced grips and smarter layout, the Xbox Ally X edges out here as the more thoughtfully refined design for immersive handheld gaming. When it comes to the display and software experience, things are a bit more evenly matched. Both handhelds feature a 7-inch full high-definition IPS touchscreen with support for up to 120Hz refresh rates and variable refresh rate technology, so you're getting the same crisp detail and fluid motion on both devices. That being said, many fans were hoping for an OLED upgrade in the Xbox Ally X, but no luck for now. On the software front, the Xbox Ally X pulls ahead with a special Xbox full-screen mode on top of Windows 11, which cuts down on background apps and makes the whole interface feel more console-like. You'll be able to remap buttons, tweak settings, and jump into games with ease. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X relies on Armory Crate software, which works well but often requires additional setup through AMD's tools. For a more streamlined experience right out of the box, the Xbox Ally X has the edge. Moving on to performance, the Xbox Ally X packs the latest AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme processor, making it one of the first true AI PCs in handheld form. This chip includes a neural processing unit, which offloads some of the tasks typically handled by the CPU and GPU. That means you can expect better efficiency and smoother gameplay, especially when paired with Windows tweaks that minimize background processes. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X features the Z1 Extreme processor. It's still a powerful chip, but not quite as cutting edge. In raw performance, the Z2 Extreme is expected to deliver around 10 to 15% gains over its predecessor, which isn't a massive leap, but it's meaningful when every frame counts. Both devices come with 24 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking, but the Ally X does offer a 2 terabyte storage option, while the Xbox Ally X is limited to 1 terabyte for now. Even so, the performance crown goes to the Xbox Ally X, especially for those who want a bit more future-proofing. In terms of battery and storage, both devices come equipped with an 80-watt-hour battery, which is pretty generous for handheld gaming PCs. But the Xbox Ally X is expected to squeeze more efficiency out of that same battery thanks to its AI processor and that optimized Xbox full-screen experience. Xbox claims idle power consumption is reduced by 1/3, which could make a real difference in extended play sessions. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X manages just over 2 hours on max settings with demanding titles in real-world tests, which is a step up from the original model but still not amazing. As for storage, the ROG Ally X gives users the flexibility of choosing between 1 or 2 terabyte solid-state drives, while the Xbox Ally X currently offers only a 1 terabyte version. Both allow for easy expansion via micro SD card, which is great news for anyone with a growing game library. Overall, the Xbox Ally X may win on battery efficiency, but the Ally X takes the win on storage flexibility. As for my final verdict, the Xbox Ally X is a top-tier gaming handheld that checks a lot of boxes. It boasts a next-generation AI processor, improved battery optimization, and significantly enhanced ergonomics thanks to its newly designed grips. The Xbox full-screen mode also promises a much smoother and more intuitive software experience, especially for those used to console navigation. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X remains a powerful and proven device with more storage options and the benefit of being available right now, often at discounted prices during big sale events. If you're looking to buy today or want more onboard storage, the ROG Ally X is still a fantastic choice. But if you're willing to wait for the newest innovation and want a more refined, performance-oriented handheld experience, then the Xbox Ally X is the one to look out for this holiday season.